Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in Summit White. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Elevation, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, and the shifter can be found here in the center console. Taking a look at the exterior of the Sierra, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone dual-air tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, Elevation badges on the doors, Duramax plaques on the fenders, around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, black recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, X31 off-road badges on both sides of the box. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, twin chrome-tipped exhaust, towing packages installed, Elevation, Sierra, and GMC badging can all be found here on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the Sierra, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle, and in the center console you can find 2 cup holders and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.